The rise of side hustles powered by AI. AI tools have made powerful capabilities affordable and accessible, enabling complex tasks to be turned into repeatable services that beginners can sell. Side hustles powered by AI scale fast, require low upfront cost, and let you turn skills or hobbies into steady cash without heavy technical expertise. 6 proven AI side hustles. Number 1, side hustle: AI content writing and ghostwriting. How it works: use AI to draft blog posts, newsletters, product descriptions, or ebooks. Then edit and humanize the outputs to match a client's voice. Tools to use: ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, Grammarly, Surfer SEO. Expected income range: $5,500 per article or $202,000 plus per ebook, depending on length and niche. Mini case study: a freelance writer used AI to produce SEO articles for niche blogs, delivering 10 optimized posts per month to 3 clients at $150 each, and scaled to $14,500 monthly revenue within 3 months. Number 2, side hustle: AI-powered social media management. How it works: create content calendars, captions, image suggestions, and short-form scripts using AI, then schedule and engage on behalf of small businesses. Tools to use: ChatGPT for captions, Canva for visuals, Later or Buffer for scheduling, and CapCut for short videos. Expected income range: $200 to $1,500 per client per month, depending on services and posting volume. Mini case study: a designer offered a $600 a month package for 12 posts, captions, and monthly analytics to local cafes. After automating drafting with AI, they signed 4 clients and made $2,400 a month with 6 to 8 hours work weekly. Number 3, side hustle: AI voiceover and audio production. How it works: generate natural-sounding voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, explainer videos, or audiobooks. Then add music and edits to deliver a finished audio file. Tools to use: Murf, Descript, ElevenLabs, Audacity, or Adobe Audition. Expected income range: $30 to $300 per voiceover project for short content, $300 to $2,000 for long-form narration. Mini case study: a side hustler used ElevenLabs to produce podcast intros and mid-roll promos, charging $120 per episode and reaching $1,000 to $1,200 monthly with 10 recurring clients. Number 4, side hustle: AI chatbot setup and automation for local businesses. How it works: build chatbots that answer FAQs, book appointments, or capture leads for local businesses. Configure flows, test, and hand off admin controls. Tools to use: ManyChat, Tidio, ChatFuel, and WhatsApp Business, combined with a simple CRM like Airtable or HubSpot free tier. Expected income range: $150 to $1,200 setup fee plus $50 to $300 month maintenance per client. Mini case study: a marketer built a chatbot for a salon that reduced appointment no-shows and increased weekday bookings. They charged a $500 setup fee and $100 a month, earning $1,000 in month 1 and retaining the client long-term. Number 5, side hustle: AI design and image generation services. How it works: produce logos, social assets, ad images, and product mockups using AI image generators, refine outputs in a design editor, and deliver brand-ready files. Tools to use: Midjourney or Stable Diffusion for concepts, Canva or Figma for refinement, and Adobe Photoshop for final polish. Expected income range: $30 to $300 per social asset, $200 to $1,500 per brand package. Mini case study: a creative entrepreneur offered a $350 micro-brand package, logo, 6 social templates. Using AI to create options and Figma to finish, they closed 8 clients in 2 months for $2,800 total. Number 6, side hustle: niche AI-powered research and data summaries. How it works: provide concise market research, competitor briefs, or curated newsletters by using AI to summarize reports, extract trends, and create actionable takeaways. Tools to use: ChatGPT or Claude for summarization, Notion for delivery, Google Sheets or Airtable for data organization. Expected income range: $50 to $500 per brief, $200 to $1,000 a month for ongoing research subscriptions. Mini case study: an analyst created a weekly, curated newsletter for investors in a specific industry, automating the first draft with AI and charging $15 a month per subscriber. The list reached 80 paid subscribers in 3 months, generating $1,200 per month. Step-by-step starter plan example: start an AI content writing side hustle in 6 steps. 1. Pick a niche. Choose a field you understand, like health, tech, or local business. 2. Build samples. Create 4 to 6 polished articles using AI plus your edits and publish them on a simple portfolio. 3. Set pricing packages, e.g. $75 short post, $200 long post, $500 monthly content bundle. 4. Create a one-page site. Use Card, Wix, or a LinkedIn portfolio to showcase samples and pricing. 5. Outreach. Message 20 local businesses or use Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn DMs with a free sample offer. 6. Deliver and iterate. Request feedback, collect testimonials, and refine your process with templates and AI prompts. Practical tips for success. Start with free AI tools or low-cost plans and only upgrade when revenue justifies it. Focus on niche expertise rather than being everything to everyone. Turn repeatable tasks into templates and workflows to scale. Protect quality. Always human edit AI outputs to avoid factual or tone errors. In closing, try one of these side hustles for 30 days and commit to 5 hours a week. Comment below which side hustle you'll start and why. Subscribe for a deeper step-by-step guide on the most requested idea.